And if you remember, in our previous tutorial, we have installed our React application in our local system. So in this tutorial, we will see the folder structure of Next.js. So for the very first time, let me show you the Next.js, which is .next. We have all the folders in that .next. This is nothing but cache server and types everything. These are same package.json is same as we had in our React.js. React loadable. This is same as we have to load something in our React. So this is our next folder structure. So we don't need to do anything with that folder structure for the time being. So we don't need to make more focus on that folder. And if we move in our app component or app folder, and this folder is going to be very important because all the control is inside that app component. So you can see here node-modules, which is same as we had in our React project, and public, and all the rest of the folders are same, but only thing that we have one or two folders, which is next.configure. This is for the configuration of our next.js project, and this is for the JavaScript configuration, and the rest of these folders is same. Now what we have to do, I am going to describe the app folder in detail. And if we move in favicon.ico, let me show you where it is showing. ICO is basically an extension which is named as icon. So here you can see whenever we have created our next app, we have here a small icon. This is just because of our that icon which we have installed inside our that favicon, and globals.css. And this page.js folder is very important because this is the main folder in which we have the control. So we would write all the code inside that main page. This is just like we had index.html or index.js in our React.js. So if you remember, everything which is showing here is just because of our that code, which is by default written in Next.js project. And this is the layout.js. This layout.js defines the layout of our page. This is the, you can, in other words, you can say layout.js is a root, and inside this root we have page.js folder which is going to display. So here I am going to change all the code inside my page.js, and here I am just typing RAFC, and I am going to export it at the bottom. Export default page, and here I am going to display this is home page. Now if I save it, and here you can see we have the output, and ignore that design of the page. This is just because of our by default CSS. But here I have shown you that how to display anything